In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website from Godaddy Website Builder in 2024. This straightforward tutorial will guide you through the entire process in just 5 minutes, so whether you're decluttering your online presence or simply starting fresh, you'll find this guide invaluable. First, let's head over to the Godaddy website by visiting their main page. Here you'll find various options including domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. These categories are your starting point in navigating your GoDaddy account effectively. By clicking through, you'll land on a page that displays all your connected services and products associated with your account. Once you're there, locate and click on the Products section. This is where GoDaddy lists everything you've purchased or subscribed to. It provides you with a comprehensive view of all your current subscriptions, from domain names to website hosting packages. This will be crucial as we proceed to the next step. Next, within your products page, look for the section titled Renewals and Billing. Clicking on this will direct you to another part of the dashboard that handles your subscriptions, financial details, and renewals. This section ensures transparency and allows you to manage your financial commitments to the platform efficiently. Now, navigate over to the Subscriptions tab. Once you're inside, this page will list your active subscriptions in detail. Reviewing your subscriptions periodically helps in managing unnecessary expenses and decluttering unwanted services. Then locate the three-dot icon next to the website subscription you wish to delete. Clicking on this icon is like opening a toolbox. It gives you additional options for managing that specific subscription. This small but vital step is what allows us to proceed further in our deletion process. One of the options available to you once you click the three-dot icon is to turn off auto renew. Selecting this will prevent your subscription from renewing automatically in the future, which is an essential step if you're planning on eventually removing the website altogether. This ensures there are no unexpected charges incurred for a service you no longer wish to keep. After turning off auto renew, look for the option that says delete my product. By clicking here, you're essentially deciding to remove the website from your roster of active products. At this point, to fully authorize the deletion, you must acknowledge the statement which requires you to open an email that GoDaddy sends as part of the deletion process. This step adds a layer of security to ensure the request is genuinely from you. Finally, proceed to click on Send Email. Doing so signals GoDaddy to forward the confirmation email to your registered email address. Make sure to check your inbox and complete the process by confirming the deletion. This is the final step that seals the deal, ensuring your website is removed from GoDaddy completely. And that's it, you've successfully navigated and executed the deletion of your website through the GoDaddy website builder. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a comment below.